I don't ever remember not performing, but I guess if I had to quantify an actual event, when I was 4 years old at the Sholem Aleichem Folk Shul on Bainbridge, my mother apparently wrote a little show with, I guess it was with the other ladies, with Malka, I think, writing the music, and maybe Gela helping her with the lyrics. I'm not sure exactly who all did it, but it was a little musical called Aleph-Avreml. Needless to say, Avreml was me. I was Avreml, Avi Hoffman, Avrom Avreml. And it was my first starring role. And it was just a cute little kid show that we did at the school. Aleph-Avreml's gegangen in Wald, Beis hat a Bär in der Seen, dorten bald. And the bear says, Nyam, 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 Avreml. Du bist doch a süßen Kind, nyam, nyam, nyam. Du bist doch a gittin Kind, nyam, nyam, nyam. Ich kann dich aufessen. And of course, Aleph-Avreml beats the Beis bear and chops him up into little pieces and feeds him to all the other letters of the Yiddish alphabet. So, a show about food. What else is new? But that was my first, that's my first memory